everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. I did okay. I think I did actually pretty good. You know, an average person, I think I did pretty good. I am excited to show you guys the deals that I got. Now, I most likely, and I say this every time, I'm sorry, but I will be going back for a couple deals at CVS. I wanted to do a couple things and I wasn't able to do it because I didn't have the coupons for it, so I will be going on a different side of town, so I'll probably be doing those deals for that. But I'm here to show you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is, now I had two cards. Remember, I have an older card and a newer card. I got the newer one because I wanted to get better CRTs and eventually cancel the old one, but the old one's actually been better, so it's hard to say. I use both of them. I try not to get the same things on both cards, but there's sometimes deals that I can't pass up. So I ended up getting the Maybelline Eyeshadow. If you guys, probably a repeat. I actually just started wearing the Maybelline. The darker part of the purple is what I am wearing, and the inside of the purple is the Almay. So I'm starting to wear the Maybelline. I'm trying to get rid of a lot of my old stuff. Like, I have so much eyeshadow, it's crazy. But these are $3.99. You guys want to use $2 off coupons that were in the Red Plum from last week Sunday. You guys would just pay $5.98, but then you guys get a $5 ECB back, making them just 98 cents. There's hardly any to choose from at my store. I'm like, do you guys ever stock the shelves? But everybody keeps doing the deal, which I understand, but it's like, I want more colors. I keep getting the same colors all the time. I'm not complaining, but, you know, I just like to have a variety. I ended up getting the Colgate Toothpaste. Now, I got a new flavor, Bright Stripes, or Strips. I can't speak today. So I ended up getting a new flavor. I'm excited to try this. This is Crystal Mint. But these were $2.99 on sale. I used two 50-cent off coupons that we got in this today's paper, so Sunday's paper. I used a $2 off a CRT that I got. So I ended up paying $2.98 for two of these, but then I got two times two, so I got $4 back in ECBs, making it a $1.02 moneymaker, which is a pretty good deal. $6, yeah. So can't go wrong with that. I'm sorry, I keep saying can't go wrong with that. I gotta come up with something different. I know. I ended up doing the CoverGirl brow because, I don't know, but it was funny. I grabbed one, and one's called Soft Brown, one's called Midnight Brown, another one's called Rich Brown, another one's Soft Brown, but they're all in the same spot. It was kind of weird. So these were $4.69. Now, I did this deal with both of my cards because I could not pass this up. So I did it with both of my cards. So these were $4.61. It was buy two, you get a $5 ECB. I used that buy one, get one free card, or buy one, get one free coupon. They just took $4.69 off. So I ended up paying $4.69 for two of these. But then you got that $5 ECB back, making it a 31-cent moneymaker. So I could not pass that up, and I actually use these like crazy. I've been using CoverGirl brow stuff because I kind of got blonde eyebrows. It's weird. I got blondish eyebrows and brown hair, but I don't know. I use these, and I've been using those since I can remember. So we got that. Sorry. I ended up getting the Garnier's masks. I've been wanting to use masks. I don't know why. I'm just like in this thing where I'm like, I need to use masks. I just want to sit on the couch, watch a movie that my son can't watch with me. I don't know. I just want to watch a movie that is not cartoons, and I just want to sit on the couch and eat popcorn and drink a Shamrock Shake. That's all I want. One of these days. So these were $2.99. I had a $2 off a CRT that I got from last week that I was using. So I ended up paying $3.98 for both of these, but then you get a $3 ECB back, making it just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which I think is actually pretty good. Face masks have been going, like, they've been super, super popular lately. Like, I kind of want to start making a montage of all the face masks that I have. I should actually just, every time I use a different face mask, I'm going to take a picture of me on the mask and then show the picture of that. Because I'm like, I got so much face masks lately. I'm like, why don't I just do a face mask montage? What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm kind of hyper today. Daylight savings time, sleep deprived. It's all good, so we got that. The next deal I did was the deodorant. Now, I wasn't going to do this deal, and then I was at the store. So, the Speed Stick and the Ladies Speed Stick is 2 for $5, okay? I got some coupons. I got 50% off coupons that I did not want to go to waste because I didn't get those coupons, so I ordered them. So, I used 2 of the 50% off coupons, plus I had $1 off of 5 CRT that was expiring. So I ended up paying $3 for these. But then I got a $2 ECB back, making it just $1 or 50 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for deodorant. So my store only had 1 women's, which is fine, and then they had tons of men's. So I got 3 men's and 1 women's, and I did that with both of my cards because I had both of those CRTs. So I didn't want to pass up some of those CRTs because sometimes if you don't use them, you'll lose them and you'll never see them again. So that is the reason why I did that. And then I ended up getting the Persil. I didn't get these coupons, but I'm so glad they popped up on coupons.com this morning because I really wanted to do this deal. So these at my store were $4.94. There's $4 in the ad, I guess. I ended up using the $2 off coupons. Now, I did 4 separate transactions because those coupons said you could only use 1 per transaction per trip. So I had to do 4 separate transactions for that. So I ended up buying 4 of them. I got 2 of the Intense Fresh, and then I got 2 of the original. This is by far my favorite laundry detergent. As you guys can see, I got 4. My favorite laundry detergent. I absolutely love it. I am addicted to this stuff. I remember when it first came out, it was only available at Walmart, and then I saw it at the store I work at, and then I started seeing it everywhere, and now it's actually reasonably priced because I'm like, this sounds so good, but it's expensive, but now it's actually pretty reasonably priced. So I ended up using 4 separate transactions, but I did each of these in each transaction. But if you guys would buy all 4 together, you guys would pay $11.76. Now, I had a deal in my Savings Star where if you spend $20 or more on Henkel brand products, you guys will get a $5 rebate. So I didn't get the Renews-Its, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to get one of these because this is a Henkel brand. So this was just 99 cents because I just needed to, because this was $11.76, or this was like 1994 or 19 something cents or whatever, and so I just needed to spend $1 more. So I just got the Renews-Its for to get the $5 rebate. So if you guys bought those 4 and this, you guys would pay $12.75 out of pocket for those 5 items. You will get the $5 ECB back for the Persil. Plus, you guys will get that $5 rebate automatically if you have it. You need to have your Savings Star card attached to your CVS thing. So if you guys think about it, $2.75 for 5 items I think is a great deal. You cannot pass this up. $2.75 is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I got all that. So that was my haul. It wasn't the greatest haul. I mean, last week I got $12 in beauty bucks for one of my cards. Like, last week was just crazy. I felt like I broke the register. Everything went by badly. Today, smooth as can be. Everything went by fine. So, I don't know. It's crazy. But, this is weird. Okay. So, with my new card, I got a bunch of that stuff with my new card. So, I ended up paying 63 cents out of pocket. I used $20 of ECBs, but I received $19 back. So that came to $1.63, which is awesome. With my old card, between the 4 transactions, I just added them all together. I paid $3.69 for all 4 transactions. I used $16.75 of ECBs, but then I received $12 back in ECBs, so I did take a loss. So that would have been $8.44. Or was it $8.40? Yeah, $8.44 for everything, so which is still a pretty good deal. But if you guys add everything together, it came to $10.05 for everything, but then I'll get that $5 rebate back from Savings Star, so it technically came to $5.07 for everything. I got 19 items, that's 27 cents a piece, which I am super excited about, that I got laundry detergent for 27 cents a piece. That's awesome. But if you guys enjoyed my CVS haul, please give this video a thumbs up. I want to do some of the candy deals, so like I said, I might go back. I'm just trying to figure it out, but I could not pass up 75-cent bags of M&Ms, so you guys will have to see that. I don't know what day. It might be the end of the week is when I go to CVS. But give that video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this haul, and I'll see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.